we made it here to A&A Auto Stores in Dallas, Pennsylvania. And if you guys just don't know A&A Auto Stores here in Dallas, PA, I do a lot of business with these guys and a lot of work, and they help me out in finding the right parts that I need for my build. But I received a call saying that my wheels and tires are in for our 2024 Jeep build. So while we're going in there to check out the, to try and find Pat and get Pat on a little video, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Ring that notification bell so you guys stay posted when we drop videos like this, and so you can follow the Jeep build. So I'm going to run in, try and find Pat, and see you in there. You guys know James. James, hey, I'm looking for Pat. He informed me that the wheels and tires have came in for the Jeep. Is he around?
Oh, he's in his office.
He's in his office? All right, thanks, brother. So we're going to go back and sneak up on Pat and try and see what he's up to doing and see what's up.
Hey Joe, how you doing, bud?
What's up, Pat? How you doing?
Good. How are you, sir?
You guys gave me a call that the wheels and tires came in for the Jeep.
Yes, we got them.
All right, awesome. Hey guys, I'm gonna take my coat off and get settled in here, get things a little bit squared away with Pat. So in the process, run down in the description. Definitely check out A&A Auto Stores. Hit them up on Facebook, and if you're looking for something special or anything like that, reach out to these guys and give them a call. But I'm going to take my coat off and settle a few things with Pat, and we're going to go look at these tires and wheels that we got for the Jeep build.
Come on, Joe, let's go take a look at those.
So these are the wheels?
These are the wheels.
All right, guys. These are the wheels that we got for the 2024 Jeep build. That if you guys are following the channel from the first time we got it, we're putting a lift on it, and we decided to go with wheels. I sat down with Pat, and we had a little meeting about looking at all these different types of wheels.
Yeah, all different kinds.
And we went from different colors to the chrome to the black and milled to just all the different brands and stuff like this. And this is the set that we decided to come up with. And as you can see, we do have the tires behind us, and that's why we have 5, because we are also putting one on the spare. So we have the 5 wheels in, and we're just going to do a little unveiling and show you guys what the wheels look like and go from there. Da da da. Okay, 3. Yeah, just. And let's close this up and. Here we go. All right, so these are the wheels that we got, and I think the ends on the open. And we wanted to go with a little something different than your the black ones and the chrome or polished and stuff like that. So we wanted to do something different against the white. So here is what we ended up going with, and these are the fuel flames in the bronze. We went with these because we wanted more of a design to give it a little bit more stylish rather than the deep dish, because we see a lot of deep dish out there and polished ones, so we wanted to bring something different, and we believe that the bronze is going to go real nice against the white and the Jeep and the color schemes that we're going to do. So, and we ended up going up to a 20 by 10 it was.
20 by 10, yes, sir.
With a negative 18 offset.
Absolutely, yes.
Right. So we're excited about putting these wheels on the Wrangler and seeing what it looks like and getting it done, huh?
I can't wait
I think
to see.
so. To give you guys a little bit of perspective to show you what these look like against the black tires, because we do have it black on the inside with the center caps, and then we go with the bronze. Then we figure the black of the tire, and then there's a little bit of black accent on the Jeep and the white Jeep. So me and Pat's gonna put this up against the tire here, just to give you guys a little perspective on how it's gonna look with the tire. Get this out of the way. So this is up a little bit right in there. So this is what it's gonna look like somewhat with the tire behind it. Hope it comes out okay. And then we went with the Mickey Thompson, what were these?
Baja Boss.
The Baja Bosses,
ATs.
the ATs. And these tires are in a 35 by 1250 by 20. So, and these are an F-rated tire. So we have a little bit more strength on these. So we went from I believe it was a 17 on the
17
Jeeps.
on the Jeep to a 20.
And then up to a 20-inch and then up to a 35-inch tire. Well, guys, this is just a little reveal video of what wheel we are putting on the Jeep. Don't forget to run down in the description. Check A&A out in the description below. So if you have any questions or anything like that, you can reach out to them. They have tons of wheels that they could get up for you and order and things like that. And Pat will even sit down with you and bring you in, sit down with you, take a look at the wheels and all that, and the staff in here will point you all in the right direction. Well,
Absolutely.
so don't forget to support your local auto parts store. So till next time, I'm Joe, hanging out with Pat at A&A Auto Stores here in Dallas, PA. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how we roll with Wicked Fabz.